felt overwhelmed trying to make sense of your data? Why not? Because Usermaven is here with another exciting feature called segments. Imagine you're running a SaaS company and you have segments like trial users, paying customers, and let's say enterprise clients. With Usermaven, you can analyze these segments to understand their behavior and needs, optimizing your strategies to better convert trial users and, let's say, retain paying customers. So let's dive right in. To get started, click on Contacts Hub right here, and you'll see the section for segments. To create a new segment, click on the Create New Segment button, and you should land on this page. Now let's create a segment to track all the users that have not yet completed the onboarding process on our Usermaven website right here. So let's go back and give our segment a name. You can then provide a description for your segment. This, however, is completely optional. Next, choose your segment type. It can be a visitor, a user, or a company level segment. In this case, however, I'll be selecting user. It can be visitors because visitors on your website are those that haven't signed up yet. Next, add specific conditions to your segment. In this case, I'll be selecting a page URL condition and a custom event. And let's refine it to at least one time ever. You can add as many conditions over here as you want, or you can create as many more groups as you want. I won't be needing this one over here. And these are the conditions for your segment. You can also choose from over here if you want all your conditions to be met or at least one of them. I'll be selecting all in this case. And once you're done, click on the Create button and you'll see your segment listed over here. Now, if you click on this particular segment over here, this dashboard will provide you with information on all the users that fall under this particular segment. You'll see their email, their level of engagement, their first and last name, location, first and last seen, their number of page views, sessions, and so on. If you wish to edit a segment, simply click on the Edit button adjacent to your segment. Make as many changes as you need. Let's, for instance, edit our segment's name over here and add last 30 days to it. Once you're done making the changes, click on the Update button and your segment will be updated. Similarly, if you wish to delete a segment, just click on the Delete button adjacent to that segment, confirm your change, and your segment will be deleted. Let's select one of the other segments as an example. Let's click on Funnel Users. Now, on this dashboard, if you want certain columns to disappear, you can do it using the Show or Hide Columns feature right here. Just check mark the boxes that you want to appear, and those that are not check marked will not appear on your dashboard. For example, if I check mark ID and Created Ad, I'll see both these columns on the dashboard. Moreover, you can also filter your data based on specific email addresses. For example, if I enter a particular email address over here, this dashboard will filter the data for me and list all the customers with that particular email address. Lastly, you can also apply certain filters to your already filtered data. To do so, click on the Filters button over here. Now, this is the basic funnel that you created earlier. You can add as many conditions to it as you want, or you can add as many groups. Now, if I add another condition to it, let's say I want to add the condition for a particular location, and I have it right here. Now, if I click on the Update button, it will only filter the data that I already have on the dashboard. However, if I click on the Save as New Segment button, a new segment will be created for me. You just have to give your new segment a name. Let's, for example, name it Funnel Users in UK. And once you're done adding the conditions, click on the Create button and another funnel will be created. Now, apart from these particular segments, you can also create other useful segments. For example, you could create a segment to track paying customers on your platform by different plans. You could track incomplete signups, incomplete onboarding processes, as we just did. You could track your power users or your slipping away users. Creating these segments allows you to analyze and engage with your user base more effectively, helping you optimize your product and marketing strategies. And this is all for now. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay updated with more awesome content. Until next time, happy segmenting.